What are the types of whey protein? Whey protein is a popular sports supplement of choice. However, there are legit questions over its apparent benefits and potential harmful effects. So does consuming whey protein regularly actually enhance our physical prowess without deteriorating our health in the long run? We will discuss more in this episode. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please click the link now. Alright, let's go. Firstly, before we dwell into the safety and efficacy of whey, let's talk a little bit about how it is actually made. In the cheese making process, milk is being solidified into curds whilst leaving a clear liquid byproduct known as whey. Initially discarded as waste, it was later found out that it contained rich amounts of beneficial complete proteins, thus giving rise to the formulation of whey protein supplements. So what are the benefits of whey? Number one, an effective fat burner. There are studies which used whey protein to replace part of the calories consumed in participants. At the end of the study, the whey protein group saw significant reduction in body fat and lean muscles retention when compared to the control group. Number two, muscle growth and strength. Whey protein are providers of protein and amino acids, which are fundamental building blocks necessary for muscle growth. On top of that, whey can be easily absorbed by the body and helps increase anabolic hormones such as insulin in our bodies, which acts as muscle growth stimulants. Number four, helps control hunger. Protein takes a longer time to break down and digest as compared to carbohydrates and fats. This prolonged period of digestion will mean that the body will tend to feel fuller over a longer period of time, thereby reducing the urge to eat more or decrease the frequency of meals. Other health benefits of consuming whey is that it provides an array of other nutrients that are said to keep symptoms of stress or depression in check. It has also shown to lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels. With so many stated benefits, you might be wondering, consuming protein can't be all that good, right? Well, there are definitely some side effects when consuming whey protein. Whey is generally safe for most adults, but some of the side effects through high dosage of protein intake includes diarrhea, nausea, thirst, stomach bloats, and fatigue. It is important that you seek medical advice before beginning your supplement regime. Let me take the opportunity to run through two common misconceptions people might have with regards to consuming whey protein. Number one, increased protein intake will hurt your kidneys. In fact, people with existing kidney issues will have to be careful when consuming their protein intake and must be done under strict medical supervision. Other than that, a fit and active person should have no issues in maintaining a protein-rich diet. The key thing is to take note of how much water you're drinking so as to prevent dehydration. Number two, bone health risks due to high protein diet. Till date, there is still no proof that bone health deterioration is linked to high protein diets. Do you know that there are recommended protein intake amounts for individuals carrying out different sports? Here is a list of suggested protein intake recommendations. The recommended dietary allowance or RDA for protein intake of an average adult is about 0.8 grams of protein per kg of body weight daily. For weightlifters or bodybuilders, however, who seek to build and maintain muscle mass should have protein intakes of 1.5 to 2.2 grams of protein per kg of body weight per day. Endurance athletes, those who run or swim, should consume about 1.2 to 1.4 grams of protein per kg of body weights daily. However, if the daily diet is already rich in protein such as poultry, lean red meat, low-fat dairy products, then there might be a little need to supplement whey protein into the dietary mix. The key is to consume everything in moderation. Alright, we have come to the end of this episode and hope you have learned more about the benefits of consuming whey protein. In the next episode, I will be talking about the different types of whey protein powder that are available in the market. Till the next time, stay safe and stay healthy, people.